Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys this orange and gold eye look. So I created this look using the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. I really do love the palette. I must say they're very pigmented and easy to work with. They're blendable, all that good stuff. Just as all of her other eyeshadows are. I really do like it. But please don't feel that you need to go out and waste I don't even remember how much this was, like $130 or so. You can definitely find dupes, especially like orange eyeshadow. MAC has some, Makeup Geek, Anastasia, so many other companies carry them. But I really love this palette. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So that concludes this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.